Okay, since we are done with the summer fragrances, let's talk about everyday fragrances or slash daily slash school. Yes, pinagsama ko silang tatlo since yun naman din yung paggagamitan sa kanila. By the way, take note, when we talk about everyday daily slash school scents, I always suggest something fresh, yet may pagka-twist siya ng sweetness or fruitiness na nangingibabaw, since summer fragrances are mostly used kapag maaarawan ka, like pupunta ka sa beach or maglalakad ka sa kanto or magra-rides ka. So doon sila nangingibabaw. But when it comes to daily school fragrances, yun yung mga fragrances na magagamit mo sa office, ganun. So you wanted something fresh yet something with a twist like sweetness. So ito yung mga alam kong pwede kong ma-recommend. And yes, of course, pwede mong gamitin si summer fragrances as your daily fragrances. By the end of the day, it's up to the user, and napaka gandang gamitin ng mga summer fragrances sa weather natin sa Pilipinas. So, it's all up to you. Basta ito yung mara-recommend ko when I'm talking about everyday or daily slash school. First on the list for my daily scents are Eros Flame. I have here Enzo Eros Flame and HSI Signature Premium Eros Flame. So far, these two are the best Eros Flame inspired that I've ever tasted. Ang ganda ng longevity nila, especially kay Enzo, nagtatagal siya sa akin na 4 to 5 hours. But when it comes to the HSI, I think nasa 2 to 3 hours lang siya. Medyo disappointed ako, pero when it comes to the scent wise, ang lapit ito sa OG na Eros, pero medyo malayo to. Pero okay naman siya so far. And the projection, pareho lang sila, around a meter or 2, depende sa paggamit or depende sa kung papapuwisan ka ba o hindi. Okay, now let's talk about Eros. Alam ko, marami magsasabi, but Eros is for clubbing, for night. No, at the moment, masyado siyang ginagamit sa daily, so nasanay na yung mga tao or tayo na gamitin siya for daily, and hindi naman siya ganoon ka-sweet, especially mga inspired, hindi siya ganoon ka-sweet tulad ng OG Eros. So I guess mara-recommend ko siya for daily. I have your Aficionado F69. The projection is too loud, but the longevity 2 to 3 hours lang din. So I guess okay na siya. Eros ni Enzo, the longevity around 2 to 3 hours lang din, tapos medyo medium yung projection niya, pero okay naman yung scent niya so far, one of the closest that I've tried. And third is Percent Eros. So far, ito yung pinaka basta ngibabaw sa akin when it comes to the longevity. Nung ginamit ko siya, nagtagal siya sa akin ng around 3 to 5 hours. I think, yeah, 3 to 5 hours siya. Depende siguro sa paggamit mo. And then yung projection niya is kinda large na rin. So alam yung amoy niya, hindi ganoon kalakas or hindi ganoon ka similar tulad ng Eros ni Enzo. Pero so far, I think it's a good Eros alternative. It's already good enough. The performance-wise, I like the Percent. Now, let's talk about Sauvage. So I have here the Sauvage of Treasure Scents. So far, ito yung talagang amoy lemon. Less peppery, more on lemon na siya. Pero nagtagal siya sa akin ng 2 to 3 hours. So I guess it's already good for its price. Second is Sauvage ng Scent Geeks. I know this is just a decant from their Discovery set. Pero so far, yun yung pinaka-closest na natry ko. Pero hindi ganoon ka-close na hinahanap ko na Eros. So, I guess okay na rin siya. The longevity, 2 to 3 hours lang din. Hindi rin ganoon masyadong nag-project. Pero okay na. And Sparrow, one of the best Sauvage when it comes to performance. Kaso nga lang, hindi rin niya kaamoy si Sauvage. This one is more peppery compared to the other ones. But I guess that's already good. Since when we're talking about Sauvage, you want that C2C, peppery, woody type of scent. And I guess Father and Son reformulated their Sauvage, and I think it's already good. So far so good, kasi nga lang medyo pricey nga lang. By the way, isingit ko lang pala, hindi ko alam kung anong inspired tong dalawang to, Smooth Operator and After Party. I think Smooth Operator is Eros, pero I don't smell the Eros DNA here. Masabi ko lang sa Noah is, ang ganda ng set nila, okay, I like it. The only problem I have with Noah is that their longevity is kinda off. Nasa 1 to 2 hours lang siya, and the projection is not that loud. So, kailangan mo talaga lumapit. Pero scent-wise, ang bango nila. I think similar sila sa New York Army. So, medyo nakaka-disappoint. Pero kung lumakas lang sana na yung projection niya, kahit na ang longevity niya smekely lang, okay lang sa akin. Since na-mention ko na sa New York Army, I have here Manhattan. Ang dami nagsasabi, Invictus daw siya. I don't know. For me, it's more of a YSL vibes para sa akin. So, yeah, so far, ito yung isa sa mga nagustuhan ko sa New York Army. And I guess, ito lang ata, and then yung Brooklyn. Pero so far, this is very smooth, ang daling dalhin. The problem again is the longevity. Pero kung, alam mo na, kung you're just gonna respray it, then just buy this. Also, yung projection niya medyo weak din. So, I don't know. Isa lang siya sa mga marirecommend ko when it comes to scent. Okay, I know may maghahanap sa inyo ng Bleu de Chanel, and yes, I have here Bleu de Chanel, and the only Bleu de Chanel inspired that I can recommend is HSI Signature Premium. And nasa HSI naman na tayo, so let's talk about black as well. So far, both of them has great scent. Napakakuhang-kuha ni BDC yung amoy talaga ni Bleu de Chanel. And the only downside is the longevity. 3 to 4 hours lang din siya, but I think that's already good considering for its price. And the projection is kinda mid. It's around a meter na lang din siya. But I guess I can also recommend it since medyo budget friendly siya. So I guess it's okay. Now, punta naman tayo sa mga Aventus. I only have here the Aventus Gold of HSI. Pwede ko rin ma-recommend yung Aventus nila na motivational, and also the Father and Son Debonair. Unfortunately, niregalo ko na siya sa bayaw ko, and so far it is one of the best daily scent that you can ever find. The performance is good. It can project up to 3 meters depende sa paggamit kung nasa room ka. Ang ganda rin ng sillage niya, and also the longevity is around 4 to 5 hours, which is already good for its price. And considering na inspired siya, pwede mo siyang gamitin anytime, any day, anywhere. So yeah, Aventus is the best scent na mabibili mo. Down to the last two, I know this is not inspired, pero Gentleman is one of my favorite talaga when it comes to the daily scent. Gentleman is a sweet, fresh, floral. I think floral yung sweetness niya. I'm not sure, pero I think this is one of the best fragrances that you can ever find for a daily use. The longevity is so good. I think nag-last siya sa akin ng 6 to 7 hours, and then the projection is also loud, like sobrang loud. Maamoy ka ng mga tao sa isang room. The only downside is syempre the presyo. And last but not the least, my new favorite is Lamal of Motivational HSI. So far, this one is the best inspired that I have ever smelled and used. So, ang ganda lang take dito ni HSI, especially sa longevity and projection niya. I think mas nagtatagal siya sa akin compared to my OG na JPG. So, yan. Kaya naging new favorite ko siya since yung smell din niya, ang ganda. The lavender, the mint, the tonka, and everything else, sweetness that you can find. I'm 100% sure sa mga gusto ng unique scent na magiging signature scent nila, I would recommend you to get this one. Sobrang ganda rin niya. The longevity is also good. Nagtatagal siya sa akin ng 5 to 6 hours. And the projection is kinda good as well. Average lang siya, nasa 1 to 2 meters. Pero so far, it's already good and it's super cheap. So, yeah, Lamal JPG is one of the best na marirecommend ko. So far, ayun lang muna. Meron pang iba pero hindi ko na sinama since magiging mahaba ng video. So, sa mga meron dyan na daily set na pwede nyo ma-recommend sa iba, you can comment down below para makatulong din tayo sa iba. So far, yun lang yung mga ma-recommend ko na nasa akin. And yeah, sa mga gustong tumulong sa iba dyan, just comment down below kung ano nga ba yung mga pwede nyo masuggest sa ibang tao. And as always, peace! Anyways, kung di nyo pala manap sa Yellow Basket, I guess you can just search it on my profile or just go to their shop mismo. I don't really care. As long as you want to buy it, just buy it wherever you want. Blue up, orange up, black up. It's all up to you guys. You can also check their pages like Enzo, HSI, and other fragrances na na-mention ko.